Florence Nightingale here. I hear you are interested in renting my museum. Well, you must have a look around. Come on, follow me.
Venue hire at the Florence Nightingale Museum offers a unique opportunity for your event because the space is the museum. The museum is one large room separated into 3 distinct but interconnected sections. The hedge section focuses on Florence's childhood and early life. The Turkish tiles section tells the story of her time during the Crimean War and is the location of her iconic lamp. The bookshelf section shares the stories of her contributions and work after her return to England. In addition to these sections, the museum has a centralized performance/presentation space, complete with options for seating, projectors, and catering.
I do hope you enjoyed that brief tour of my museum, but I do recommend coming to see it yourself. It really is rather spectacular. It's a very unique place in the very heart of London. Do come and visit. After all, we do know how to throw a good party.